Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. As you can see, our topic for 14 is equations and graphs. And here I have outlined the different topics in this unit, and I have highlighted the vocabulary that you will need. Because we're not starting the unit until next week, obviously you don't need to know either one of these. But in order to do your homework, you will have to understand some of the operations and some of this vocabulary in order to finish the homework. Be sure to use your textbook and especially the glossary and look up what these terms mean. It'll make it much easier for you to do your homework. I also wanted to show you a typical graph which has an origin, which is one of our vocabulary words, and that is where the two axes intersect. So this vertical line here that plots points from from -10 and 0 to +10 is the y-axis. And similar but horizontal is the x-axis, going left and right on our graph paper. And it's important for you to see this because this will be on some of the daily spiral reviews that you will have this week for homework. I also would like to show you what it looks like once you've graphed an equation on graph paper. Now these three different equations on this graph paper represent different relationships of numbers. And as we get into topic 14 next week, you'll have a better idea of how these lines tell the story of number relationships. But I would like you just to have a chance to look and see what you will be doing by the end of this topic. And then finally, I would like to go over your daily spiral review, so I'll go ahead and end this video and take you to the daily spiral review, which is the next video in the series. Thanks.